video on how to work offline, and it also kind of includes information on how to use your phone. To start with, understand that you can make Google Meet meetings on your phone just by clicking the link. There is an Hangout app where you can chat with your teacher. There's a Google Classroom app and a Google Drive app, although the Classroom app, you may be better off just using the browser. And you can use your browser for most of these things, even if you don't want to download the apps. You do probably need to have the Google Drive app if you do not have a computer with internet at home because of what I'm getting ready to show you, how to upload photos. So basically the idea here would be that you open up your Google Classroom on your phone and you open up your assignment, and then you read the questions and answer them on a piece of paper. And then you take a picture of that piece of paper with your phone, and then you're going to upload it to Google Classroom. So first off, in order to upload the photo from your phone to Google Drive, in order to upload it to Google Classroom, this is how you do it on Android. So you're going to download that Google Drive app, and then you're going to click on your camera. You're going to click on, after you take the picture, you're going to click on this little spot right here that kind of brings you into the gallery, and then go to that photo and click the little share button, and then click save to Google Drive, and then make sure you're putting it in the correct Google Drive. And I would create like a homework folder or something in your Google Drive to save these to. On your iPhone, you're going to download the Google Drive app, and then you're going to open that app and upload the photo using this little button right here. And then once you get that done in your Google Classroom on your phone or on your computer, whichever you choose, you're going to view assignment. And then right here, you can click add or create and click Google Drive, and you can add those photos to the assignment and then click turn in, and then you're turning in that assignment. Another option is to just work offline on a Chromebook if you have it and go to a hotspot like once a week. So basically what you would do there is you would, when you're at the hotspot, you would go to your assignments for that week and you would open up each one, and then you would copy and paste it, or you would, screenshot it basically and save it to your computer. So on a Chromebook, you're going to click Control. I got to show you this on this document. Control, Shift, and then this little button, which is at the very top. And then you'll highlight the box that you want to save, and it will download it to your computer. On a Windows machine, you'll click the Windows key, Shift S, and again, highlight that box, and it will download it to your computer. And I would do that for each assignment for that week. And that way, it's going to look kind of like this, where you have the instructions for what you need to do and any documents you need. And so you know what you're kind of supposed to be working on. And the next thing you might do is go to any website you might need. So like if there's a little website down here, then you're going to go to that website and you're going to click Control S, and it's going to allow you to save that entire web page as a document on your computer. You can also, some of the documents on Google Classroom, you can open the document and then you can click print. And on the print screen, there'll be a little download button right there, and you can download that to your computer. Now, this would be documents that you're not necessarily going to turn in. For the documents you are going to turn in, here's how you do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Google Docs. Oops, I misspelled that. And on Google Docs, up here in the left corner, you're going to click the menu, and then you're going to click Settings, and then you're going to click this little slider and tell it to work offline. And what that does is it gives you access to your documents. I would suggest figuring out where those documents are. You can get to them here on Google Docs. You can also go to Google Drive and figure out where the documents are. If you're having a hard time finding them on your Google Classroom page, there is a spot right here that says Class Drive folder. Click on that while you're online, and you might either bookmark this page or just remember where the documents are. So notice it says My Drive, Classroom, Test Class. This is where all the documents that were assigned me are going to be. And so I can go into this folder and open up those documents and fill them out and then close them, and it saves them automatically. And then on whatever day you go to the hotspot, you'll go into your assignment and click View Assignment. And I would check any documents that you filled out to make sure that they are still attached, and then click Turn In, and it will all already be there. It's still attached. If it does happen to get unattached, you can always copy and paste it into this document and then just turn it in from there. So you can work offline completely using a Chromebook. Just go once a week to a hotspot, download everything you need, make sure that your Google Docs are offline, and then just once a week, go turn in what you did this week and download next week's. So that is one of the options of something you can do. Either that, or if you've got a phone with data, you can use that. So a couple of different options for how to do this offline if you don't have internet access at home. Thanks for listening.